Do you like trading on lower time frames but don't know what indicators to use? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful indicators on TradingView that are perfect for short-term trading and scalping. Make sure you watch this video till the end because some of these indicators can completely change how you trade short moves. Let's jump straight into it. So I'm in TradingView and I will be using a 5-minute time frame throughout the video. Let's open the indicators tab from here. The first indicator I want to share with you is called the Waddah Explosion V2 by Cheyenne KM. This one, add it to the trading chart. This is hands down one of the best indicators for scalping and day trading because it shows you both momentum and volatility in one place. At the back, you'll notice a histogram. That's the key part. It tells you whether momentum is increasing or decreasing. When it turns dark green, it means bullish momentum is getting stronger. Light green means it's slowing down. Red shows bearish pressure building, and orange means that bearish momentum is weakening. Since this works on short-term momentum, it's perfect for lower time frames like the 1-minute or 5-minute chart. You'll also see a blue dotted line called the dead zone line and an orange explosion line. When the histogram is below the blue line, volatility is low. The market's quiet. When it goes above, volatility starts to rise, and if it crosses the orange line, that means an explosive move might be coming. When you combine this with simple price action, Waddah Explosion can help you catch clean breakouts instead of fake ones. It's basically your early warning system for high-energy moves in the market. Now let's move on to the next indicator on our list. So let me just open the Indicators tab again. Next, let's look at the Absolute Strength Histogram VA2 by Guy Hongelim. Search for this and add this one to the trading chart. This one's another solid indicator for short-term momentum. You'll see 2 lines here, green for bullish strength and red/orange for bearish strength. When the green line crosses above the red one, that's your buy signal. When the red line crosses above the green, that's your sell signal. The color shade tells you if momentum is growing or fading. The dark colors mean momentum is increasing. Light colors mean it's slowing down. There's also a background histogram that shows overall market strength. Gray means the market is flat. Green means price is pushing up strongly, and red means strong selling pressure. It gives you a clear visual of who's in control right now. But remember, this works best when you use it with trend confirmation. So, before taking a crossover signal, make sure you're trading in the direction of the main trend. For example, above the 200 EMA for buy trades, and the market should be below it, if you are going to open sell trades using this indicator. That simple filter removes a lot of noise. This was our second indicator on the list. Now let's remove this indicator and add the next one to the trading chart.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
So in the Indicators tab, to add the third indicator, search for the UTbot alerts by Quant Nomad. This one is extremely popular because it gives straightforward buy and sell signals directly on your chart. It uses a special calculation based on ATR, so it adapts to volatility changes. But as you can see on the trading chart, the default settings can be a bit too sensitive, giving too many signals, but you can fix that easily. Just open the settings of this indicator. You can do that from here. And change the key value to 3, and also change the ATR period to 2. That will clean up the noise and show only the stronger setups. As you can see, this is already much better. Even then, don't rely only on the buy or sell labels. Always confirm with volume, trend direction, or support/resistance. When used correctly, this tool gives quick entries and exits that fit perfectly with scalping strategies. Now let's move on to the next indicator on our list. So let me just quickly remove this indicator and open the Indicators tab. Yes, so the next one is called Volume Supported Linear Regression by Lonesome DU. This is the exact indicator. Make sure you use exactly this one. This is a very advanced indicator that combines volume with linear regression to track both short-term and long-term momentum. You'll notice two parts, a histogram and a line. The histogram shows short-term changes, while the line shows the broader trend. When the line is blue and above the center level, the trend is up. When it's brown and below, the trend is down. The histogram colors help you read the momentum inside that trend. Green bars mean bullish strength increasing. Red bars mean bearish pressure rising. So, for example, when the line is blue but the histogram suddenly turns red, that could be a small pullback. When it flips back to green again, that's a continuation signal. It's a great indicator for scalpers who want to see both short-term moves and long-term flow together without switching timeframes. So make sure to give this one also a try, test it out, see where you can use this in your trading, because I am sure this indicator can help traders in many ways. Now let's move on, and let me show you the final indicator on the list today. So in the Indicators tab, search for Attar Stop Loss Finder by VeryFid. This one. Make sure to use exactly this one in your trading. This one is incredibly useful for managing trades on fast-moving markets. It automatically plots dynamic stop-loss levels using Attar, one green line for buy trades, and one red line for sell trades. These lines adjust automatically with volatility. So when you open a buy trade, you can simply place your stop right below the green line. When you open a short, set it above the red line. For high volatility markets like crypto or Forex, you can increase the multiplier to make the stop wider and avoid getting knocked out by market noise. For calmer markets, reduce the multiplier to tighten the stop. It's simple, visual, and makes trade management super quick, which is exactly what you need in lower time frame trading. So, these 5 indicators, Waddah explosion, absolute strength histogram, UTbot alerts, volume supported linear regression, and Attar stop loss finder, are all perfect tools for scalping and short-term setups. You don't need to use all of them at once. Just pick 1 or 2 that match your trading style and combine them with price action. That's how you'll get clean, confident trades. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.